The job I chose for my project was a marine biologist. I picked this because I thought it would be pretty cool, you know? Going in the ocean, playing with dolphins in an aquarium, scuba diving. But after researching it, I found out it wasn't exactly what it was. So, want to find out what it really is? Keep watching. Marine biology. Marine is salt water, the sea, things created by the sea, and biology is the study of life, living organisms. So if we put the two together, it's the study of living organisms, all living organisms in the sea, and any other regions with salt water. So that's animals, plants, sharks, fish, algae, plankton, dolphins, anything that's living in the ocean with life and living cells is studied by marine biology. Marine biologists specialize in whatever they study. So if they study algae, they specialize in algae and know everything and everything about algae. Or if they study pollution and its interaction with the environment, then they'll only focus on conserving and studying that one polluted area. So a scientist usually follows that interest and moves forward with that. So with that idea, scientists will have so many jobs and roles under the big title of marine biology. It's not just sitting around at a desk all day using a microscope. You actually do other stuff. Yes, you may use a microscope now and then, but people may use plants from the ocean to make new products or to cure diseases. It's a pretty interesting job. Their practices can range from using astronomy to zoology and genetics. There's just so many choices out there. After choosing what they want to study and what kind of marine biologist they want to be, they just find a place to work. That's pretty much the main thing about having a job. They're mainly employed by the government agencies like NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, private companies like Earthworks LLC, or the International Sea Turtle Society. Pretty fun, right? And industry organizations, non-profits, aquariums, zoos, fisheries, and even universities. And each of these places will also give these scientists different opportunities, research studies, experiences that they'll use to grow and prosper throughout their career. After the marine biologists find a place to work, they're not just sitting around a desk all day for the rest of their career, they're actually doing things and having different projects every day and seeing different organisms in the lab that they can touch, feel, study. But aside from that, they also occasionally get out and do field studies, which they go out on a boat, say, go scuba diving to see their specialty, gather water samples, catch fish to bring back and study, or momentarily capture fish to tag them so they can track them to the ocean and they can study them further. So before any of this whole marine biologist job stuff starts, you have to start in school with your education. So first, we really had to start with high school, which most of us hate, but it's pretty important when you get out into the job. So if you want to be a marine biologist, you take many math courses and science classes, and do many advanced classes like pre-calculus, physics, and make sure you take chemistry and, most importantly, biology. And they also recommend taking many science or biology clubs or involved in many science or biology-related things outside of school too, to make you more appealing and more educated in the whole biology field. So when you get to college, you have to do your undergraduate, which is your bachelor's degree. So many colleges encourage students to major in biology or life science first, and then major in marine biology after they get their graduate degree. But some colleges, they say you can do marine biology as your bachelor's and just keep going and getting more educated as you go on. So maybe if you're not really sure you want to do marine biology specifically, you might want to do like a science career, maybe focus on doing that, and then when you're more sure, do marine biology, but whatever works for you. So next is you can do stuff with the bachelor's degree, but that's more lower end jobs and that requires a lot more experience. So if you want to get a better, higher up job, you might want to focus on getting a master's or a graduate degree. So when you get your master's, you want to focus your studies on what you want to study in. So algae, as I said before, fish population, or pollution in the ecosystem. So this gives you more opportunities for the government and research organizations, which may be better paying jobs or give you more opportunities in the long run. And finally, which if you want to be very successful, you should get a PhD, which is your doctorate degree. So that will give you very senior and research positions, so your higher levels, higher pay, and everything. Also, you do independent research, your own marine biology company if you want, and head positions, and then advanced coursework, independent research projects. So it's like if you want to be very advanced in the career, that's what you should do. And with your bachelor's degree, you should get jobs which are more entry level. So maybe with the National Park Service, the Bureau of Land Management, or ocean management, or working with a nonprofit will get you those kind of jobs with a bachelor's degree. With a master's degree, you get a little higher pay positions, and teaching or research labs might hire you, so you get a better chance of careers. And then with a PhD, you get independent jobs, or if you want to teach, maybe some higher education teaching, and of course higher pay. So you may think people maybe aren't really marine biologists, or people aren't really successful in the career, they're kind of just getting lower paying jobs, or they're not really taking this seriously. But there are actually some very famous people who have been marine biologists, so like Paul Dayton, or Sylvia Earle, Harold Rosenthal. There's a couple people that have been pretty successful and pretty famous for being marine biologists. So next, what seems to be very important to most people is the actual salary, how much you're going to get rich from it, or you might get poor from it. But when you're a marine biologist, you usually make about $29,460 to $124,680 according to the internet, because the internet knows everything. You would think that marine biology is basically just biology, that chemistry wasn't really involved with it. However, chemistry is actually in a lot of things that I found. Like, a lot of things, like basically everything. So first, marine biology mostly deals with organic chemistry, which is studying things with carbon or things that naturally produce in nature, like plants and animals. So that's mostly everything about marine biology. But there's also inorganic chemistry, which is like the study of the minerals from the hydrothermal vents in the bottom of the ocean, and then they do different tests, and those minerals aren't really natural, they don't have carbon in them, so that wouldn't really be organic chemistry like everything else. So that's basically what chemistry is doing in marine biology. You know how everyone's always telling us in school that you should know what you want to do in college, what you want to study, what you want to be when you grow up, but most of us don't even really know what we want to be. I know that I don't want to do anything computer, medical, like that stuff, but I thought that maybe I should focus on science, because science is kind of more what I like to do. So after this project, I feel like marine biology kind of stood out to me. So maybe I want to do that. Maybe be a marine biologist when I grow up. So the project kind of helped me to find out really what I want to do.